Let me welcome you here to this class and to these courses, actually. This little short little video I will use for all of my courses for this semester. Just a quick intro to kind of get some of you all moving in the right direction. Here's what I want to say, folks. The key to this class, the key to getting started, the key to being successful is to maximize the syllabus. Translation, read the syllabus. Oh, step one, find the syllabus, right? Get the syllabus, read it, and go back and read it again. And for some, go back and read it maybe a third time. I mean, you can read it one time, but as you read it, mark through it. Make sure you understand what I'm talking about. I'm covering everything for this class in the syllabus. Everything you need to know is in the syllabus. I know when people are not reading the syllabus because you send me emails or you call my office and you're asking questions that I've already covered either in the syllabus or in the information sessions. So um, the first day instructions with what I sent out for that announcement and the email for you to go and to pull up, please do that. Um, Things like the passwords for like the demo tests and the exams, students don't get the passwords. Now, I cover all of that in the syllabus. If you follow the instructions, when you go through Honor Lock, if you click on the right button, will insert the password for you. Okay. Um, the first 14 days starting on yesterday was the first day of the course, January the 9th. Starting on that day and for this week and next week, 14 days, you have free access into WebAssign. That is, if you have not paid for your WebAssign access code, these first 2 weeks, you will have free access. After that, if you have not purchased the access code, you will not be able to do the homeworks, quizzes, and also the exams. You can purchase the access code through webassign.net or webassign.com directly. Uh, When you purchase that, buy that Cengage Unlimited. I think it has even more options for that, like, for 1 year, 2 years. My thing is get it as long as possible if you're going to take calculus 1, 2, 3, linear algebra, um, differential equations, and also Math 265. So you can buy that top grade Cengage Unlimited, and it will cover all those courses in terms of your access. So do that. Again, the syllabus, folks. Read the syllabus. Read the syllabus, my friends. Please do that. And some of you all are dual enrollment. It doesn't matter. This is a college course. So you are treated, everybody in this class, as an adult. You can read. So read the syllabus, watch my information sessions. I've set everything up for you, folks. I mean, from the beginning of this class to the end, everything is there. Everything is in Blackboard. Please peruse through Blackboard. You will see course information, course content. When you go into course content for each chapter, you'll have my lecture videos. You will also have the PDFs of what I cover, my actual lecture notes that I use in the classroom. And then also everything that's in the video would be in the annotations. Um, Feel free to, download those, print them off if you can. If not, I understand. If you could have them somewhere electronically where you can write on top of that, and you can put your own notes there. When you read the syllabus, you're going to find that when you're taking the test, that if you have a question about something, You want to put all your comments in WebAssign by each problem where it says ask my teacher. You can put your notations there in terms of questions or corrections, something that you noticed while you were taking the test and you want to go back and make a statement in terms of saying to me, hey, this is what the answer should have been, something like that. Do that there. Um, some students like to send me their test scratch paper. That's fine, but do that immediately, right after 5-10 minutes, right after you've taken the test. You can email that to my email address, ernest.williams@calhoun.edu. I will look at your scratch paper for a particular problem if you direct me to that. Most of my time I spend looking at where students put comments, ask my teacher. You can use ask my teacher for the homework, for the quizzes, also for the exams. Now, if you're putting if you put a question in there for the test, of course, I'm not going to answer that as a test, but you can put comments there. Uh, 3 days after the test deadline, you will have access to go back to the old test and you can look at your old test, pull up the solutions, and then if you notice something there, you can, and ask my teacher, put comments there for me to go back and check. If there's something that I need to give you credit for, I will do that. Just let me know and I will check it out for you. But again, I'm stressing folks, everything is in your syllabus. Hey, I did this. This is the first time for this semester. Um, we've copied not just the grade book from WebAssign over to Blackboard, but also the formula in terms of grading. So the grades, there will be actual grade in Blackboard that's supposed to match up to the grade in WebAssign. The true grade is in WebAssign. The the final grade in Blackboard, for whatever reason, is off by some decimal points. I've been trying to fix that, but as of right now, we have something there, right? So um, I think that's a good start. The syllabus states that your grade will come from WebAssign. Again, everything is in the syllabus. I'm not going to sit here and try to rehash the syllabus. I want you as professional college students to read that syllabus yourself and go through it, and you'll see what I'm talking about. There's a student learning outcome. I put that information in the syllabus, but it's a problem in WebAssign. Matter of fact, it's a homework problem as well. So you're going to do it twice. You're going to do it for the regular homework, but then you're going to do it for that SLO. But go into detail. Follow the instructions that I give, because what we're looking for is critical thinking. That means not just that I can work the problem, but can you explain it? Can you interpret it? And then as you're working the problem, can you give the steps so that it shows how you got to the solution and that it makes sense? Can you explain it? So do that. Follow, I think it's like 4 or 5 steps that we give. You want to make sure that you put something there for each one of those for that student learning outcomes. For some of the classes, there are formulas for certain exams. For Calculus 1, there is a formula. It's in the syllabus. It's also in Blackboard. There's a formula for test number 6 in the final exam. For Calculus 2, test 3, test 4, and the final exam. Calculus 3, test 6 in the final exam. And it could be test 5 and 6. I'm not looking at my notes, not looking at the syllabus right now for Calculus 3, but definitely for Calculus 3. I know there's a formula sheet for test 6 in the final. For linear algebra, there's nothing. You just have to work like me. And once you work through those problems, unfortunately, they'll just hang around in your head and you won't even think you have it, but you'll be like the Karate Kid, with wax on, wax off, and then somebody throws you a punch and then you'll block it and you'll say, whoa, I didn't know I could do that. So that's how it goes in linear algebra. Matter of fact, that's how it will go in all these classes that I'm teaching. If you follow my method, if you follow, stick close to me, you'll be fine. All right. Read the syllabus, folks. Read the syllabus. Thank you.